Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to be installing a DNA motoring exhaust on my 92 Accord. So let's start by opening the box. Make sure you don't cut yourself. So yeah, let's get this open. Take this foam out. Fuck this disclaimer shit. Take the first piece out. We got the second piece. The last piece, the muffler. Big ass muffler. And we got the gaskets and the bolts. Hell yeah. Alright, so let's unwrap everything. Gotta fist it real quick, make sure it's nice and tight. But yeah. Looking clean, shiny. But we gotta see if it sounds all raspy. Pretty sure it's gonna sound raspy. I mean, it's $120, so. But yeah, it's the material feels kind of cheap. Not gonna lie. But for 120 bucks, it is what it is. You get what you pay for. But other than that, I mean, everything looks straight. No cracks or anything on the flanges and stuff. So far we're looking good. We got the centerpiece right here. Nice and clean. No cracks. Yeah, there it is. Alright, so it's a new day. Time to get this installed in the car. Oh yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so this is the reason why I'm getting an exhaust on this thing. Because as you can see on the muffler, it's seen better days. I try to patch it up, but you know, I'm not good at welding. It looks like shit. Or whatever. Roast me in the comments, I don't care. But yeah. Also right here in the center, I like scraped something and it messed up my made some holes in there. And it's old, so it's like already rusting away, so might as well replace the whole thing, you know? Some might know that to remove these freaking hangers from these rubber pieces is kind of hard, so I found WD-40 to be kind of helpful to like slide off real easy. So yeah, now you know. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking of trying to repair this, patch it up, but because it's beyond repairable. But now we got the new one, so it doesn't really matter anymore. Man, these freaking nuts were stuck on there. Couldn't get them off, so I had to pull out the little Thor hammer. Sprayed them with PB Blaster, but still wouldn't do anything. So the little hammer came in handy. Alright, so now you guys can see this piece, how bad it was. It was not as bad as the muffler, but still kind of bad. It was leaking. So, yeah. Alright, so right here, as you can see, it's not going on right. The holes are not like opened up all the way or whatever, so it's not allowing it to slide on. So I'm gonna have to drill it out, drill one hole out so it can like fit on properly. But yeah, I mean that's what you get when you buy eBay parts. Not big of an issue. I got it done. These freaking hangers are a bitch to get on there. You gotta be like the Hulk to press them in there. I got them in there though. Alright, so right here I ran into another problem where it's hitting the heat shield. And if I leave it on like that, from previous experience, like on my Civics, they tend to rattle and it's freaking annoying. So I just had to take off the heat shield. So pretty easy. You just gotta remove, I think they're all 10 mils. One right there in the front by the firewall. And then the other one is right there. Right there. And then you got two in the middle. Right there. And right there. And then you got two in the back right there. And that should come off. Alright, so then on this other piece, it's right there. Right there. And in the back right there. Alright, so right here I'm hanging up the fart can. Just two hangers in the back. Pretty simple. And then there's another hanger behind the wheel. So yeah. Alright, so now I can go ahead and install the last and final piece to get this whole exhaust complete. All right, there it is, guys. Just gotta get this wrapping off the tip. No diddy, but yeah, there it is. Got all the bolts tightened down. The only thing right here is right there where it curves, right behind the wheel. It's hitting like the e-brake cable. E-brake cable. God damn, I can't speak. The e-brake cable is like hitting the top of the muffler, so I have to fix that. All right, that's it for this video, guys. Let me know what you guys think of the new exhaust. Right here, I'm just charging the battery because it died. But yeah, let me know if you guys like how it sounds. It's kind of raspy, not gonna lie, but maybe I'll change out the muffler later on. But for now, that's it.